Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture in Bigo Live. Open the Bigo Live and then click on the chats, which is on the bottom right hand corner, and click on Real Match. Now click on your card, which is on the top right hand corner, and click on Edit Information. If you simply drag a photo, it will become your profile picture. Let me show it to you again. I will drop it, I will go back, and this will be my profile picture. Go to your edit card, go to Edit Information, drag one photo and bring it here, and your profile picture will be changed accordingly. So this is how you change your profile picture in Bigo Live. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. I expect to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.